Hi, I'm Bill,
I'm Nancy.
and we are the Thin Blue Lane.
This is going to be real quick, but real delicious.
Let's see what Nancy's up to over here. We got some tomatoes. We got some tortillas, mayonnaise. Looks like she's taken some romaine lettuce and put some tomatoes in there. We got some tortillas going on here. I'm filming this on my new Pocket. Looks like she's putting some avocados.
Avocados, that's right.
In there. Say hi, Nancy.
Hi guys, I hope you like these. They're actually really easy to make. I was going to record it for you guys, but we were doing a live show today. So while Bill was talking to you guys, I was over here making this.
So what are the ingredients here? Tell me what you got.
Fish tacos. You're gonna need tortillas, your tilapia,
Some tilapia, fried, grilled.
lettuce, avocado if you want, jalapeno, and tomato, and then whatever hot sauce or other seasonings
Jalapeno.
that
Tomatoes.
you want.
Looks like we got some tartar sauce over here.
So here is the two versions.
And we got some Valentina. Two versions she's making. One goes in a tortilla, and the other one goes into a wrap.
Okay, so that's that one.
Yeah, lots of jalapenos. That's not lots, that's two. That's why she don't want nobody in her kitchen.
Is that okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, I will put more on mine too then. Alright, so you have your jalapenos. Let's put the other fish on this one. And the tilapia is just pan fried. I seasoned it with just a little bit of lemon pepper and olive oil, and then just fried it until it became crispy and delicious like it is now. You need one Roma tomato. After your fish is done, put your tomato in your tacos.
I'm going to put on the fisheye lens, see if it helps a little bit. There we go. That's the fisheye lens. You can see a little bit more now.
And put it that. So basically you're making two tacos. One with tortilla and one with just lettuce, which will also be totally delicious. Now, personal preference for me, I like the fish with just a little bit of mayo. You want mayo? On the tortilla. This is tartar sauce you can use for dressing. That's for your fish. Squeeze a little bit of lime onto your taco. It is gonna be so delicious. I can like almost taste it right now. Put your avocado, shredded lettuce.
Two different type of tacos on the same plate. Got it.
And this one, you top it off with whatever Mexican sauce you like. Pour that on the top liberally if you're like us. And there you go. You have fish tacos. So especially if you're going to be around Mexico, or actually anytime, it's a good day for a taco. And remember, you can use the tortilla or you can use the romaine lettuce to make any kind of taco, to make the healthy version. Now comes the taste test.
She made all of that on that little oven stove right there.
That is delicious.
His nose is probably going crazy. Say hi, everybody. Hi, buddy. Hi, Coco.
in one part or so. Oh my god. You have to try these, they're so delicious.
I'm gonna turn off this camera and try
It's
those.
unreal, guys, like how many little ingredients to put together. This was really quick. Like I said, just get your tilapia, pan fry it, tomatoes, jalapenos, lettuce, and avocado in your tortillas. Fry it, put it together, and use whatever sauce you want, and you have a delicious meal in minutes.
All right, this was filmed in 4K at 24 frames per second, and there's no external mic.
There you have it, my friends. Quick and easy, but so delicious.